Hello mga guys. Guys, help me. I drank already the antibiotic, but this one, the pain is not gone. It's already pain. I don't know what I'm doing this. It's already pain. And I'm walking, this is so very pain. Even I'm going sleep, I can't sleep because it's so very pain. I don't know what I'm doing. It's very bad. Watch. Until here is a pain. Oh. Here have pain. It's dangerous, guys, because I have diabetes, That's why I'm scared. I'm scared for this. Really pain here. The antibiotic is not effective. I don't know what medicine I could drink. Oh. So pain. It's a reddish, color reddish. See? This one before this one have white blood. And then I touched the white blood. I removed the white blood with the needle. And then now it's coming harder. Oh, it's hard and pain.